We've been coming to Mount Olivet for a number of years, and we're very happy. Every time we come, it is a joy to see the faces of the boys. They're always happy to see us, and we're happy to see them as well.
It's about 8 years of a fruitful bond between the Jamaica Information Service, JIS, and the Mount Olivet Boys' Home in Walderston, Manchester. After adopting the home in 2009 as its main corporate responsibility project, staff of the JIS and other partners have been visiting the home at least 3 times per year with financial and physical assistance. The close of summer 2017 was cause for another visit, a work day to prepare the young men for the new school year. The JIS team and friends zoned in on the senior boys' dorm. With paint trays, paint rollers, and brushes all in place, the team of energetic volunteers clad in resourceful outfits began sprucing up the place.
Overall, the boys will be happy because it does need some painting. So we're happy that the director, Mr. Newman, told us that it needs paint, and we decided, all right, we're going to come and we're going to paint this time around.
And the boys also pitched in. JIS summer employee Shanice Allwood expressed pleasure at being able to participate.
Well, I feel great to be a part of something because I'm helping others, and I appreciate coming here and helping.
There was no room for idle hands on the day as everyone was either busy painting, ironing school uniforms, or planting in the backyard garden. Yes, growing some of what is eaten at the home is part of the strategy to minimize the food bill. Duty officer and farm overseer O'Neill Reid was quite encouraging as he mobilized the team.
We have prepared a new plot of land that we want to put in some plantings. So those who are interested in making their mark in the earth, you can plant a tree today, and whenever you come, the next time, next year, you will be able to get planted from the plots that you were planting today.
At that thought, the old, young, and in-between made it a field day, digging holes and setting the planted suckers firmly in the soil so that there will indeed be a good harvest for the home to reap in the year to come. But one of the happiest moments of the day was the presentation of gifts. First, the birthday cards for those boys celebrating birthdays during May to August, and then the cutting of the birthday cake. Partner JP Tropical was on hand to give out their regular treat.
As JP family is here, we are here to always support, and thanks for having us. Enjoy. Crunchy is one of our new flavors that we have, and we have them here today.
There was also the presentation of some eggs from a private poultry farm in Clarendon. Then came the back-to-school packages courtesy of JIS staff and sponsors.
We normally write to sponsors, Corporate Jamaica, and get as much assistance as we can. So we have Sammy's on board. Sammy is always on board, providing shoes, and we're happy for that. So each boy got a shoe today, as well as in terms of monetary fund from ABC Electrical. They came on board the first time that they're actually donating through us, and we're very happy for that this time around. We got different donations from other entities as well.
Providing for a home of some 41 children is no easy task, and the agency continues to seek out assistance for other supplies, including notebooks and textbooks.
So persons, individuals, Corporate Jamaica, they can always call GIS and tell them that they want to assist with the book drive for the Mount Olivet Boys Home. We still need notebooks, we need other stationery, pencils, pens, anything at all that persons can give.
Assistant Director of the home, Kimberly Elliott, said the residents and staff were grateful for the assistance.
We just want to welcome you once again back here at Mount Olivet, and we want to express our sincere gratitude for everything that you have done for us, will be doing, and thanks for coming again and again.
The JIS will continue to share the love and give back. The next major visit to the home is set for mid-December during the Yuletide season. Find out how you can join in and donate. Contact the Jamaica Information Service at 58A Halfway Tree Road, Kingston 10. Call 926-3590 extensions 2132 or 2137 for more information.